Hello friends, welcome. The stock name is Rocket Pharmaceuticals. This caught my attention. So why it is very interesting, we do discuss. See, if we observe the stock, this is an important support zone. Roughly, let me mark the levels exactly. When market approached these levels, roughly 10 odd levels and 7.5 odd levels, people keep on buying. It is clearly visible at these levels. Okay, but right now it's not at breached this level, but there is some sort of rejection happening. If we observe the candlesticks, I'm just converting the chart into weekly time frame. There is some sort of rejection happened from this level 12.60 odd levels, right? So somebody bought at these price levels. Okay, first time means some sort of recovery, or else who sold the stock at a higher level, they might recover. But if we observe continuously, it's taking the support at these levels. This is some sort of demand zone, seems to be. Of course, it's been too early to confirm because the stock was keenly in downtrend. It's made double top at these levels and it's keep on coming down, and right now sort of rejection is happening. In this situation, we can buy small quantities. If it breaks this level 15 odd level, definitely that would be a great bet. Let me convert into daily time frame. See, there is a very interesting pattern is happening and it is clearly visible. See, a lot of volumes are participating. Previously, bullish engulfing candle, immediately some sort of sellers at higher levels, again they came back to this level. Again, if we observe, a lots of buying interest is happening. It is clearly visible through price action and the volumes. So it's caught my attention. And friends, generally what I do, I would like to go with the trend line flow. Okay, so actually trend is down. If it breakout happen this level trend line, then it is said to be a pure trend reversal. So till then what we can do, we can buy small quantities and we can keep tracking. If the breakout happened from this level, definitely this is a game changer, and immediate resistance level could be around 22. So there is a room to grow about 40-45% upside. So try to keep this stock in a radar. Again, it's not a recommendation. Again, I'm just giving my disclaimer. And I have seen a beautiful rejection at important levels. That's the reason I'm just sharing with you all. Okay, so that's it, friends. If you're not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thank you.